शार्क्स,
Yes, sir.
आज का जमाना है एक्सपीरियंसेस का।
फिल्म देखने का असली मजा थिएटर में ही है।
बाइक चलाने का असली मजा लद्दाख में ही है।
डांस करने का असली मजा बारात में ही है।
और म्यूजिक सुनने का असली मजा कॉन्सर्ट में ही है। आफ्टर ऑल, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंसेस, राइट?
Right. And that is what we are here for, to give you a mind-blowing and revolutionary sound experience with Sonic Lab. Hello Sharks, मैं हूँ जगत मडिकेरी से।
और मैं हूँ नवजीत मंगलुरु से। And we are the co-founders of Sonic Lamp. Sonic Lamp एक ऐसी हेडफोन्स है जिससे आप म्यूजिक को फील कर सकते हो।
हमसे पहले ये एक्सपीरियंस सिर्फ होम थिएटर में मिलता था because of a specialized audio equipment called subwoofers. लेकिन ये एक्सपीरियंस हेडफोन्स में मिसिंग है।
But Sonic lamps are powered by our patented impulse drivers, which converts audio signal into physical impulses that can be sensed through your body.
Oh wow.
This allows you to not just hear the music, but also makes you feel it.
Wow.
Sonic Lamp में 4 मोड्स है, जिससे आप अपने मूड्स और एक्टिविटीज के हिसाब से साउंड को पर्सनलाइज भी कर सकते हो। Sonic Lamp एक ओरिजिनली डिजाइन्ड, engineered and made in India premium product है. It's also tested and tuned in Denmark, which is one of the sound hubs of the world. We have raving reviews from international tech sites and also customers across 45 countries.
But Sharks, this is not the end game. We are here to redefine the experience across the sectors. Starting with automotive audio, we are integrating our technology into luxury vehicles to give you an immersive experience throughout your journey.
Our vision is to be the brand of choice globally for anyone who seeks immersive sound experience.
Amazing, kuch hatke. Okay,
Yes.
first we should start with an experience.
Yes, so yeah. So this is just the speakers. Now we'll
Abhi?
play it with the subwoofers as well.
Your subwoofer.
No, just a regular subwoofer.
Concert feel.
So this is the physical immersive sound experience. Now
Yeah.
imagine you getting this experience anytime and anywhere, and that's where the Sonic Lamp comes in. So we would love to start with a demo, and we'll
Yes,
hand over the headphones to you so that you
Lao,
can
lao,
get
lao.
the experience.
ला भाई.
हमारा एक बंदा है बहुत अच्छा है वो इसका डेमो करने के लिए एक्सपर्ट है वो ओह लवली पैकेजिंग
Thank you.
The feel is also nice.
Great packaging.
Thank you very much. All the controls are on the right side. Just an important point here is the multi-mode dial. That is basically the 4 modes of listening. If you see, there is ear symbol, that is the hear mode. It's great for classical and instrumental music. And then if you rotate, that's the feel mode. And that's where the subwoofer kicks in. It's great for wide genres of music. Then there is the wave symbol, that's the immerse mode. Right now, if you could please switch to the wave symbol.
Wave.
Yes, okay, so if you could please wear that. So that's the right side, if you wear it.
Okay.
The device is already connected to the phone.
Very good.
Thank you.
देख मेरा चश्मा हिल रहा है.
Good, yeah.
Anything else?
looks cool
That's broadly the experience that we wanted to give it to you.
अच्छा ये क्या है tested and tuned in Denmark
Yes, so we are part of an audio accelerator in Denmark. Globally, they select 6 companies every year. हम 6 में एक ही startup है जो यूरोप से बाहर select हो गए.
okay very nice so you managed to be one of those
Yes,
who
and-
made it to that program
Yes.
congratulations
Thank you.
Very good यार. जो बाकी आते हैं वो हेडफोन्स उनमें ये immersive experience नहीं आ पाता है.
You won't get that because all headphones, they use as normal speakers. In our case, we have the impulse driver and they physically move back and forth. So whenever they move, it moves according to every beat. So that physical sensation is felt through your skin and your bone.
what is this hyper personalized audio वो क्या है
So there's 2 parts. One is the 4 modes. So you can customize it. So if you're listening to classical music, the hear mode. If you're listening to bass heavy genres, the same headphones you can switch and you can get that sensation. The second part, which is part of the smartphone application, which is in development, you can take a quick hearing test and then you can customize the sound signature based on your listening. Then what happens is that if a person is insensitive to certain frequencies, it will boost that. If they're very sensitive to certain frequencies, they will reduce that.
तो आपके ऐप पे फीचर आएगा,
Yeah.
उससे आप टेस्ट करोगे अपनी
Correct.
हियरिंग एंड देन द हेडफोन्स विल ट्यून इनटू व्हाटएवर द रिजल्ट्स आर।
Yes.
अच्छा, प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा बहुत समझ गए, विल कम बैक टू इट, लेकिन आप दोनों कहाँ से हो, आप कैसे मिले और ये इंडस्ट्री में कैसे?
My first memory is me listening to my dad's home theater system setup. So I was born in Muscat. My dad used to work there.
Dad is a rock star?
Dad is an audiophile. Like he
Achha.
is
Got
into
it.
music. I had to stay away from my home for studies, and that's when I started to use headphones. When I used that, I couldn't get that immersive sound that I could get in a home theater system. While pursuing our engineering, I met Jagat in Sahyadri College of Engineering. It's in Mangalore.
अच्छा,
2013, we met, and 4 years of engineering, we were working on a research project to allow people experience sound without using their ears. And that's when we started to work on bone and skin conduction. So we developed a transducer, our own proprietary technology. So while we were doing that, it was 2019, it was an accident, like there was a regular headphone on the work table. Sort of curiosity, we thought of integrating that tech that we built to headphones. And when I wore it, I got that immersive experience that I used to listen to my dad's setup. We did audio testing and we found that our experience, the sound signature was superior than leading like legacy premium brands. And then we took the pivot and then started to work on it for like 3 years.
and that's how your journey started.
Yes.